So somebody asked why students pay for tutoring for the SAT when they could just do it on their own. I explained why students would want a better SAT math score in the first place in another video, so go check that out. But the other half of this question really boils down to why students struggle with the SAT in the first place. And there are three basic answers to this. One, they are really good at math. Don't worry, I'll explain. Two, they think they're really bad at math. Or three, they just aren't good with the format of the test. So let's break it down. When students are really good at math, it's very common that when they are focused on the SAT, usually they're a junior or a senior, they're already in an advanced math class like pre-cal or calculus. But the SAT only covers math up until algebra 2. That makes it really easy to forget things like basic algebra and geometry formulas that are vital to getting a great score. But because those problems will seem familiar, these students will often waste a ton of time trying to figure them out and end up not being able to finish the exam or to have time to check their work. These students need tutoring not to learn the math, but to refresh it and practice it again. Now, on the other hand, you have students that never really learned the fundamental math topics well. And they could even be in Algebra 2 at the time of taking their SAT, which means that there's some concepts they haven't seen yet. For these students, the test can become overwhelming, and they skip a bunch of problems because they're not even sure where to start. These students need to first learn the fundamentals that they haven't mastered, cover any foundational gaps in their math knowledge, and then tackle the harder, more nuanced SAT problems. The third group of students could be good at math, but bad at taking standardized tests. They may struggle with word problems, for example, because they're not sure what the problem is even asking them to do, or they forget formulas under pressure, and really, they just haven't had enough practice and exposure to the materials. These students just need that guidance and experience with the types of problems that are going to be on the exam. As to why they just don't study on their own, well, it's kind of hard to do it on your own if you don't know where to start. And when you figure in their limited time, all of their other school responsibilities and their intense desire to have more opportunities for college and scholarships, it's really simple why these students want the guidance and personalized attention they can get from Piece of Pie. The value of the opportunities they get far outweigh the cost of the program. I'm Renan, founder of Piece of Pie, and if you've got questions about the SAT tutoring, just drop it in the comments. Peace.